What's up everybody, this is Danny, and today we're going to unbox the brand new Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G, and I'm going to show you what comes inside of the box. This one is special because I was able to get a hold of a second unit to shoot this unboxing with the S20 Ultra's camera in 8K, so if your computer can handle it, crank that resolution up to 8K and let me know what you think about the quality. All of this was shot handheld, so thumbs up for minimalism. I'm going to give you some samples from this monster camera later on, so stay tuned for that. Here's a good look at the box, nothing too fancy here. There are two colors available of the Ultra in the US, but this is the gray model with 12 gigabytes of RAM. There is a variant with 16 gigabytes of RAM with 512 gigabytes of storage, but this is not it. The gray is the better color out of the two in my opinion, so I'm happy. I wish there were more colors this year, but it is what it is. There is a flap here with the Samsung logo on it. We don't need that. Floss style. Not much in the box. You get a 25-watt charging brick, which is still fast, but I wish with this more expensive model, they would have included the 45-watt charger. I feel like Samsung could have thrown that one in the box. You usually get a USB-A to USB-C transfer connector, but for some reason, there isn't one here. That could be different per your region or in your box. You get a USB-C cable for charging and data transfer, and you get a pair of AKG headphones, which is nice. No, there isn't a headphone jack, so don't get too excited, but they are USB-C and they sound good, so at least they packaged those in. But that's it. I thought there would be a case included at the top sleeve of the packaging, but nada, just a quick start guide and a SIM card removal tool. You get a big and beautiful 6.9-inch Quad HD dynamic AMOLED display with 120Hz high refresh rate in 1080p. It does look fantastic, but the big reason to pick this up is the giant camera cluster there with the 108 megapixel main sensor. This video is being shot with the Ultra in 8K video, which is also incredible that a smartphone can do this. Tons of power here with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor and 5G built in for support for both millimeter wave and sub-6 on this model, and there's also a huge 5000 mAh battery. So this phone is loaded, but it also comes with a loaded price at $1,400, so as soon as I took this out of the box, I had to put a case on it. Spigen had me ready before this came in with some of my favorite cases. If you know me at all, I'm all for the clear Ultra Hybrid. It lets that gray shine through on the back with great protection all around and tactile buttons. But Samsung did go a little dull with the colors this year, so I'm trying something new with the Spigen Liquid Air since the Ultra is already a thick boy. This case is nice and thin and it protects that camera like a boss, and I love the pattern on the back. It gives the phone a beautiful texture and grip. If you need a case for your Galaxy S20 series, I'll leave a link down below for you. Highly recommend that you protect this. Don't be that person to drop your phone the first day. Trust me, I've been there many times. I made a video fully breaking down the difference between the Galaxy S20, the S20 Plus, and the S20 Ultra, so check that out if you have any more questions on the S20 series. But I'm going to give you what you came here for. Here are some camera samples from my early day with it. Full camera comparisons coming, so subscribe and let me know what you think of this 8K video from the S20 Ultra.